Dear students, in today's video we are going to learn about the process of refraction. Refraction is the bending of light when light travels from one medium to another. When we put a spoon in a glass containing water, the spoon will appear to be bent to us. The part of the spoon which is inside the water, that will appear as bent. The reason is that when the surface that separates air and water, where the light travels from air to water, the light rays bend because the density of these two mediums are different. The speed of light is different in these two mediums. For light to travel, there is vacuum and there is transparent materials such as glass, water and air is there in nature. We know that the speed of light is maximum in vacuum. That means from the stars and from our sun, or the reflected light from the moon reaches to the earth and reaches into our eyes through vacuum. It travels, the light travels a lot of time through the vacuum and reaches in the earth's atmosphere. When the earth reaches the light reaches in the earth's atmosphere, air is there, the speed of light is slightly changes. And on the earth there are three mediums for light to travel. They are air, water and glass. We know that air is the most occurring medium on the earth. And children, after that water bodies are there. There are many images are formed in the water. And then the glass is the transparent material where the light can travel on the earth. There are some few types of plastics are also there. Through them also the light can travel, but when we consider the process of refraction, we take three mediums. They are glass, air and water. And according to the nature of these mediums, they are defined as denser and rarer mediums. What is a dense medium or what is a rarer medium? That we are going to see. A medium in which the speed of light is more is known as optically rarer medium. Air is optically rarer medium as compared to glass and water. So among these three materials, the air is the rarer medium. The speed of light is maximum in the air. Then a medium in which speed of light is less is known as optically denser medium. The glass is optically denser medium as compared to air and water. So students, from this one of this medium, when the light enters into another medium, the path of light is changed. The light bends. We can say that the light bends. So here examples are there. When you put a spoon in a glass of water, the part of the spoon in water looks bent. This happens because light bends or refracts at the surface separating two mediums like water and air. The bending of light when it travels from one medium to another is called refraction of light. So, when a refracted ray reaches our eyes, we see an image in the direction of the ray. It means where the light bends. So, from that region, the light ray refracted and comes to our eyes, and where the bending occurs in that direction, in the direction of the refracted ray, we see an image. So image in the air appears to be straight, and the image that is formed in water after refraction, that appears to be bent. So a straight scale or a spoon or a pencil or a stick, they appears to be bent in water. The position and size of this image are usually different from those of the object. The position and image and size of the image, that will be different, because we know that when we look through a glass of water from the other side, when we put our hand, and through the other side when we look at our hand we can see the lines of our palm is enlarged, we can see, and also the correct exact shape of our palm cannot be seen from the other side. That is due to refraction. That means from the other side of the glass, the light rays from our palm reaches into the walls of the glass. So the glass is denser medium. Then the light ray again travel through the water. Water is rarer medium. Again from this water, the light rays after refraction comes through glass. From the glass, it travels through air and reaches into our eyes. So a lot of refraction happens, and we see an enlarged image of our palm when we keep our palm at the other side of a glass filled with water. Now children, image formed by refraction, that is given in page number 74. Here the object, that is straight object, but after refraction the light ray that is coming from the object refracted by the water and also from the glass, and it enters into the air and reaches into our eyes. And when we extend this light rays into imaginary lines, if we draw, that is the dotted line in the diagram, then we can see an image in the water. A bent image we can see in the water, but the actual place of the object is different. Now students, the refraction creates beautiful images in nature. The dewdrops or the raindrops that remain at the tips of grass and the leaves, if we look them closely, we can see the refracted light rays create beautiful inverted and real images in the real, not inverted images, magnified images, sometimes small images according to the size of the drop and also the nature of it. The different types of images are formed on the drop of water. Now students, here you can see an inverted image of the field with the tree and the sky is down and the field is up. Such an image is formed in this dewdrop that is found on the tip of this blade of this grass, you can see. And here in these drops of water you can see the inverted image of a flower. This is also formed because of refraction. The light rays from the flower travels through air. It enters into the water, the surface of the water. that is appear like a convex lens, and refraction occurs and a small image is formed in the drops. Now children, a beautiful monument, its image is formed in the glass. You can see the shape of the glass is such that there are two images are formed on the glass containing water. You can see it, such beautiful images are formed due to refraction. Here a pencil is kept in water, and you can see after refraction the light rays bend and reach into our eyes, and this pencil appears to be bent in the water. Now students, a person who is catching fish, when he look in the water, the fish appears here, but fish is actually in the water. A place is slightly different from the fish actually is, but due to refraction of the light rays traveling from the body of the fish through water, then it bends and reach and travel through the air and reach into the person's eyes, and the person sees the fish in an imaginary place. That means when we extend these lines from the view of the person, we can see the fish appears in a nearby place. So students, I hope you understood the process of refraction with a new topic. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.